If you don't like snakes but still love wild nature, then you'll want to see the epic journey eels take every year. These slippery, mysterious creatures might look a bit like snakes, but they're actually fish, ancient, secretive, and full of surprises. Eels have fascinated people for centuries, not just because of their strange appearance, but because of the incredible odyssey they undertake, year after year, across vast distances and through countless dangers. Ready for a story of mystery, culture, and survival? Let's dive in. The world of eels is shrouded in secrets, and their migration is one of nature's most astonishing spectacles. Imagine a creature that spends most of its life hidden in muddy riverbeds, only to suddenly embark on a journey that would challenge even the most seasoned adventurer. Picture this. On a chilly night in May, at the mouth of the Hopkins River in Victoria, eels gather, waiting for a signal only they understand. The air is crisp, the water dark and mysterious. For generations, people have watched this gathering, wondering what drives these animals to leave the safety of their freshwater homes. It's a moment of anticipation, as if the river itself is holding its breath. Suddenly, they begin a once-in-a-lifetime journey, 3,000 kilometers from freshwater streams all the way to the deep blue coral sea. This is no ordinary swim. The eels must navigate rapids, avoid hungry predators, and survive the relentless pull of the tides. Their journey is a test of endurance, instinct, and sheer willpower. For many, it's a journey they will only make once in their lives. The river seems calm, but beneath the surface, a drama is unfolding. Eels wait, almost motionless, as if listening for a cue from nature itself. What is it that tells them it's time to go? Is it the temperature of the water, the length of the days, or something even more mysterious? No one really knows what triggers this mass migration. It's one of the great, unsolved puzzles of the animal kingdom. Scientists have spent years trying to decode the signals, but the eels keep their secrets well hidden. Scientists think it's a mix of age, size, and maybe even the season. Some believe the moon and tides play a role, while others suspect subtle chemical changes in the water. What's clear is that only the oldest, largest eels make the journey, those who have survived years of hiding and hunting in the rivers. But the drive is so strong, these eels will slither across dry land, sometimes right through city parks, just to reach the ocean. Rainy nights are their favourite, when the grass is slick and the world is quiet. Imagine walking your dog at night and spotting an eel making its way across the lawn, determined to reach the sea. It's a reminder that wild nature is never far away, even in the heart of our cities. For thousands of years, eels have been more than just animals to the people who share their land. Known as Kuyang to the Gunditjmara First Nations people, these eels aren't just wildlife, they're the heart of an ancient culture. The relationship between people and eels is deep, woven into stories, songs, and traditions passed down through countless generations. The Gunditjmara people have lived alongside the eels for millennia, learning their habits, respecting their migrations, and celebrating their return each year. Eels are a source of food, but also of knowledge and connection to the land. Their migration marks the changing of the seasons and the renewal of life. The Gunditjmara built some of the world's oldest aquaculture systems, using clever eel traps that are thousands of years old. These stone channels and weirs are a marvel of engineering, designed to guide eels into holding ponds where they could be harvested sustainably. It's a testament to human ingenuity and respect for the rhythms of nature. For them, the migration is about more than survival. It's a symbol of resilience and continuity. Each year, as the eels return, so too do the stories and ceremonies that bind the community together. The journey of the eel is a living link to the past, a reminder that nature and culture are forever intertwined. Here's the wildest part. After their exhausting swim, the adult eels spawn in the ocean and then die. Their final act is to give life to the next generation, sacrificing themselves so their offspring can begin the cycle anew. No one has ever witnessed the spawning itself. It happens far from shore, deep in the mysterious waters of the Coral Sea. But their legacy lives on as their tiny babies drift back, returning to rivers across Australia, New Zealand, and the South Pacific. These baby eels, called glass eels, are almost invisible, delicate, transparent, and full of potential. Against all odds, they find their way from the open ocean to the very streams their parents left behind, ready to start the journey all over again. So next time you spot an eel, remember, you're witnessing a living link to ancient stories, epic journeys, and the rhythms of nature itself. These remarkable creatures connect us to the past, inspire us in the present, and remind us that every river, every migration, and every life is part of a much bigger story.